Bisexual meaning. Bisexuality has a specific meaning. Bisexuality is defined as romantic interest, sexual attraction, or sexual conduct toward both men and females, or toward both males and females, or toward both males and females. It may also be characterized as a romantic or sexual attraction to individuals regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity, which is referred to as pansexuality in the literature. A bisexual person is someone who has romantic or sexual affections for both men and women. The word bisexuality is one of three basic categories of sexual orientation, alongside heterosexuality and homosexuality, and all of these classifications reside on the heterosexual-homosexual continuum. A bisexual identity does not always imply equal sexual attraction to both sexes. Rather, those who have a definite but not exclusive sexual preference for one sex over the other are more likely to identify as bisexual than those who have no sexual preference.